Beneath the soil, wrapped in layers of earth, a humble root grows, deep crimson in color, vibrant with life, and brimming with hidden power. This is the beetroot, a vegetable that has traveled across centuries, civilizations, and cultures, carrying with it a reputation not just as food, but as a natural medicine and a symbol of vitality. In ancient Rome, warriors consumed beets before battle, believing the root gave them strength and stamina to fight longer and harder. In medieval times, it was prescribed to treat blood-related illnesses, as its deep red color was thought to replenish and purify the body's own blood. Today, modern science has uncovered that beetroot truly does influence circulation, endurance, and strength, but in ways our ancestors could never have explained. At the heart of beetroot's power lies a compound called nitrate. When consumed, nitrates transform within the body into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves oxygen delivery, and reduces the strain on the heart. This means that every beat of the heart becomes more efficient, every muscle contraction becomes stronger, and every breath delivers more energy. Athletes across the world have embraced beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. Studies show that drinking beetroot juice before exercise can extend endurance, delay fatigue, and even improve recovery. Unlike synthetic boosters, this effect comes not from artificial chemicals, but from the natural synergy of minerals, nitrates, and antioxidants stored within the root. But beetroot is more than just fuel for athletes. It is nourishment for everyone. Its vibrant pigments, known as betalains, act as antioxidants, protecting cells from oxidative stress and calming inflammation throughout the body. These compounds support liver detoxification, helping the body clear toxins more effectively and keeping the bloodstream clean and energized. Rich in folate, manganese, and potassium, beetroot strengthens blood, supports nerve health, and balances fluid levels. Its fiber content aids digestion, ensuring that energy from food is released steadily without sudden spikes or crashes. With each bite or sip of beetroot, the body is fed not just calories, but a complex web of healing nutrients. Yet beetroot's story is also one of transformation. Raw, it holds a crisp, earthy flavor that connects us to the soil itself. Boiled or roasted, it softens into a sweetness that pairs beautifully with other foods. Juiced, it becomes a concentrated elixir of endurance, a crimson potion that fuels both the body and the spirit. In many traditions, beetroot is also a food of the heart, both literally and symbolically. It improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and supports the cardiovascular system. But it also symbolizes vitality, passion, and energy in its striking red hue. To eat beetroot is to connect to a lineage of people who valued not only nourishment, but also strength, resilience, and life force. Still, like all powerful foods, beetroot must be consumed with awareness. For some, its earthy compounds may cause digestive sensitivity if taken in excess. For others with kidney issues, its oxalate content can contribute to stone formation if overused. Balance, as always, is the key, allowing beetroot to serve as an ally, not a burden. From farms to modern laboratories, from ancient battlefields to Olympic stadiums, beetroot has proven itself a natural endurance booster. It is a reminder that the earth offers more than just sustenance. It offers tools to sharpen our performance, to heal our bodies, and to sustain our energy for the challenges of life. Every root carries within it the memory of soil, sun, and rain. Beetroot carries something more, the gift of resilience, endurance, and the steady heartbeat of life itself. To eat it is to invite that gift into your own body, to align your breath, your blood, and your strength with the timeless power of the earth. So the next time you see this crimson root, do not think of it as ordinary food. Think of it as nature's endurance potion, a fuel crafted by the soil and perfected by time. Because in every slice, in every drop of juice, beetroot whispers a promise of stamina, of vitality, and of life lived with unshakable energy. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world of food and ancient flavors.